Welcome to Consulting Approach to Problem Solving course. My goal here is to introduce you to the methods and tools used by top managers and consultants to solve actual business problems. My name is Piotr. I'm a business and technology consultant and I work on business problem solving every day. I have been working for top consulting firms on engagements for leading global business organizations. Before that, I studied engineering and philosophy. Problem solving runs like a thread through all these disciplines: business, engineering, and philosophy. So trust me, in terms of problem solving techniques, you will be in good hands. In this course, I introduce all the most important concepts of structured business problem solving driven by hypothesis-based thinking, HBPS for short. This technique is used every day by top-tier consulting firms to crack the most complex business issues. It is the essence of a consulting project. I will walk you through all the stages required to solve a business problem on a typical consulting project, and on the way, familiarize you with both the theory and practice of problem-solving techniques. It's not another dry walk through business case frameworks, trust me. I will show you a fresh, on-the-job perspective on solving business issues, one that you will use to genuinely impress both your boss and your interlocutor at a potential case interview. The goal is to give you an end-to-end view of the whole problem-solving process. So I will start off with explaining why HBPS is so good that it's used by top consulting firms around the world. Together, we will cover 4 main steps of problem solving: problem formulation, problem structuring, work plan design, and solution communication. On the way, I will introduce terminology and techniques used by top managers and consultants. At the end of the course, you will have the necessary toolkit to start using HBPS. The course is also a great introduction to some more specific courses on business consulting topics that I'm working on right now. You might be asking yourself whether this course is for you. Well, if you are considering applying to management consulting firms, or maybe you already work in business, but you feel that you could benefit from a more structured and proven approach to solving business problems, this course definitely is for you. Hit enroll and let's start. See you in class.